Hello guys, welcome to the class of Adobe Premiere Pro from beginner to expert. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss how to import the footages and organize this accordingly. Here you can see we have imported a lot of footages. So this is our new project. Close the panel. So to import footages into the project panel, we can simply click here, left click and import, and then go to the location of the footages and simply click open here. It will be imported, or we can drag and drop here. It will be imported too. So to import all of the footages, what we need to do is if we select all and drag and drop these things, it will be imported here. If we want to enlarge this project panel, we can see there are a lot of footages. In a big window, you can see the footages. You can also see a preview of here from left to right. Now let's see how to organize these footages. Here we can import any recent file from here. Import recent file, or we can import all of the media file, suppose AVI format, 3GB format, and After Effects projects, audio project, Illustrator file, any. Here are list of all the supported format file which we can import, and here if you click here, it will be organized by this step. You can see here, you can see the list view from here. You can see a free from view from here, and click here to current view. So in the list view, you can see all the information up here. Suppose frame rate, there are different frame rate, and how much duration of these clips, and what is the size. All the metadata we can see here. Suppose this is a 4K file, this is a HD file, this is 2K file. All of the footages, size and metadata information, and here you can see audio information of this file also. We can unhide this also. Ctrl+Z, it is unhided. If we right click here, all the metadata will be here. So now we don't need these things too many. We just need frame rate and duration most of the time. So if you want to organize these files, okay, we can organize by creating a bin. If we click here, it will create a new bin, and we can rename this bin. Suppose intro, the file which we want to cut, and paste it here. So if we click the intro folder here, we can also create a new bin from here. Also click zero. Want to click end. So if we want, we can drag and drop also here this file, and drag and drop to here. By this way we can organize this. You can see a preview from here, and you can organize this. If you go through here, you can find the files in the bin folders. We can find the files. So by the way, we can organize this easily. So that's it for today. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to create a sequence and adding the clips to the timeline. Thank you.